Okay, hi guys. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It's a electric brush cleaner. It comes with a piece. Here it is. It's from Glam Organics. Sorry, got a little glitter on it, but it's from Glam Organics, and it comes with this piece on the top. And then you have to put AAA batteries in the back so that it can, you know, vibrate. Actually spin, I'm sorry. Not vibrate, spin. So that part spins. I just want to show you guys today how I clean my brushes, because it's very important to clean your brushes. Okay, it also comes with, what's this thing? These handles for all brush sizes. So let me see. It's 8 handle brush sizes. Now let's hope that all of our brushes fit in them. The handles for the brushes, you stick them in. Oops. You put it on the piece, you put the piece back on here, and then it'll spin. See that? So, got a little bit of water. It says fill it just a little bit. You see my tea kettle? And it's not that warm. It's just like a little tad bit warm. So, just a little bit of water because this is plastic. There we go. Because you're going to have to leave some space. You're going to have to leave some space in there for the brush to dry off. Okay? So here are all my brushes. They are in little mason jars, and they are well overdue for a clean. Many different types of brushes. Okay? So now, I think this one is a perfect fit for the handle I have on here. So I'm just gonna try to get that in there as much as possible. Okay. Alright guys, so that's really dry, but you can see there's a little bit of shadow still left on that brush. So let's try a different brush. Alright, there we go. This is my foundation brush. It definitely needs to be clean. You can see. Okay, now let's try that out. Definitely want to go when you hear the click. It's kind of loose, but there's like not a brush the size that I need. So I need, for this brush specifically, I'm in need of this size. Now I heard a couple reviews where it says sometimes you have to like put maybe tissue or something or a rubber band so it fits. That makes a lot of sense. I just don't have a rubber band. Alright guys, let's try it again. Okay, so that's not really working for this brush I have. Let's use a different one. See if it works for that one. I think because I don't have the right size. Alright, so we're going to try a different brush. I use this one for contouring and highlighting. So So it has a lot of color in it that I need to get out. Let's hope it works, guys. I haven't had much luck with my other brushes so far, so I'm really like, okay, please work for these, at least. Wait, guys, sorry. I think you're supposed to put it in the water first and then do it. Okay, so I mean that's not very clean. Not really getting a good clean with this. Let's see. I mean, let's try it yet again. At this point, because no brushes fit anything, I'm just not really, I have no options here. That one is definitely clean. It wasn't much on there anyway. I didn't use it that much just for blush, and I don't wear blush as much, and bronzer, but that was definitely cleaned and dried. Feels like there's no wetness in the brush. I'm gonna try this one again, guys. See if any more comes off.
I found you.
Hi, Kaden.
What's that?
Cleaning my brushes.
I got my teeth. Where's the going?
Yeah.
Where's the teeth around? Hello, big pig. No, that's a pig.
So still the same result with this one, even though I found the one that fits it more. Same result, not much clean off of it. I don't have any brush cleaning solution, so I'm just letting you know, guys, I do have, I use regular water for this. Maybe I need to pick up some brush solution, some brush cleaner solution. So now I'm going to do this brush I just got from Ashley Lee Cosmetics. A little bit of shadow on there.
Ow! It's shaking. It's shaking. Look, it's shaking.
Don't touch. Okay, so that one definitely worked. For that one, there was like bluish, purplish shadow on there. But now it's dry, guys, so there we go. Let's try one more brush before I give up completely on this thing. Okay, now look at this brush before I get started. You can see that in there. It has some shadow on it. Please don't stop cleaning, don't touch that.
It's all done. Now you go and clean the leaves. And then just leave clean.
So that one got it off pretty good. If you can see it, it's pretty good. So I like this brush cleaner. The only thing is it doesn't have all the pieces for every single size brush, but that's okay. That happens. Okay guys, so I just did the review on this, and I would say it's not really a must-have, you know. Cleaning your brushes, you can probably get a lot more clean if you did it yourself manually, but this is probably good to dry so you can use it quickly soon after and not wait a day. But that's pretty much it, and that's an honest review from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I have many videos of makeup looks and skincare, and also try on hauls. That's pretty much my niche, so I hope you guys are able to check that out. And for Vlogmas, which is Christmas or December, I'll be uploading a video every day. I'm going to try to make that a hobby, I mean a habit of mine, to make sure I upload every day, prioritize and stuff like that. I would love if you guys subscribed and joined my journey. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.